So here's our other rack. We have again the JES monitoring temperature and moisture sensor. We have a SonicWall NSA 250. It's a little bit older one, but you know that's just main for the office right now. And then that's hooked up to this 24 port gigabit switch with two 1 gig uplinks. And here's our 48 port switch with two 10 gig uplinks. And then we have our PoE switch for the network cameras. And then over here is our NAS servers for backups. We have about 3 Synology 815s and 816s. There's an old 214 down here, and this is just a server appliance. We do all of our replication backups for clients and everything in that cabinet. So that's why we like to keep that locked. And yeah, so that's the network closet. And this is all piggybacked into the other closet where we were at before, where it's all connected to. And yeah, that's about it.